Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring's online tutorial of part number SSW52. This is SSW part number 52. This is an O2 sensor style mate connector for the LS series engine. We have an SSW part number 2 for the terminal. We have an SSW part number 0 for the seal, and a 22 gauge piece of wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools to complete this harness. Cutters, crimp tool with alphabetical index A, B, C, D, and E. This can be purchased on our online store. All these tools can be purchased on our online store. Strippers. Go ahead and grab the wire, strip off about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Place your seal on the wire. Next your terminal on the wire. Start in D, give it a good crimp, and finish up in E. E of the die. Start this one in C, and give it a little tug on E. Next, place the terminal back in E, and give it a 5-pound pull test. Make sure that your terminal lock is lined the correct way once you place it in the connector itself. Insert till you hear it click. Give it a nice little tug. To remove this, purchase our green terminal tool located on our website store. There's a top hat section, a little cutout on the connector itself on the face. Place your terminal in till it seats. Press down till you hear it click. Remove out the back side. To place this terminal back in, bend the keyway tab up just a little bit. Orient it back into the connector body like so. And you're installed. Good to go.